What's up, my people? New Year's Eve, getting the equipment out of here. As you just seen, the house structure's going up, but we also have to give away the contest to the diesel equipment attachment. Thank you everybody for participating. That was awesome. We have a lot of comments, like 900 some comments. Just a random pick of top commenters. Took me an hour to bind this thing down and get it strategically done. I haven't ran these two pieces of equipment on the same trailer yet, but everything is in with the 8. We got 4 points on this, 4 points on that, or 5 points on the excavator with the boom. Everything's tied down. I even strapped down this because it didn't fit. Strapped it down to there, but this should go. Put the skid steer to this side and the 88 to that side so we get the boom over there. All right, so on this project, the sewer system and the water and all that, we didn't hook up any utilities because, as you see, it's congested and all the building materials, so we couldn't do it. Maybe something done in the spring, or credit back to the GC who has mini excavator that will install it himself. I'm not sure on that yet, but as far as I'm on this project, I'm off the project. We are done, we are paid, we are all good, ready to crash into the, I shouldn't say crash because we got to get down this hill. And it is the busiest time of year because it's New Year's Eve, like I said, and this mountain's jamming. Even though there's no snow in the hills, it's on the mountain, and tons of cars, tons of people walking up and down, dogs and everything, so it's gonna be sketchy going down. Batteries are full, so I'll get that footage going down for you guys. But let's get back to the contest. So let's stand in the house and give away the diesel equipment merchandise. So we have Dale Premo from PA, first winner. Sonny Blazer from Connecticut, second winner. Mark G from right here, hometown in the Catskills, third winner. And we got Derrick Megan Pettit from Maryland. Congratulations, guys. In the description, or not in the description, in the description or the about page, I do have my email. You'll have to email me to give me your address so I can get that stuff out to you guys. I appreciate everybody participating, and we will have more to come. I do have more stuff from diesel equipment that I will give away on a live feed. We're gonna probably have some of those because we're slowing down, although we did just pick up a couple projects, and this is a crazy time of year. It's like 48 degrees right now, and so we're gonna still dig. You know, usually we're shut down. The frost is about 16 to 18 inches now, and we're done, but we're digging. I just landed 2 more jobs, so we're gonna go for it and try to get it done before we do get frost in the ground. But again, guys, stay tuned for the ride down. That's what I'm dealing with. Fog coming off this big mountain. I can't see 35 feet in front of me, and it's a 1,000-foot drop off this side. Look at this. Crazy. Just 7th gear, jaking it. Kind of remember the road, but gotta go easy. You don't know what's in front of you. Alright guys, I hope everybody has a happy and safe new year. Don't do nothing stupid, and we'll see you guys in 22. I want to thank everybody in 2021 that supported the channel. The channel grew immensely. We had a lot of new subscribers. I met a lot of great people along the way. We had a couple sponsorships. We went on a YouTube trip. It's been really a fun ride. 2022 seems to be bringing some of that action also. Can't wait to see what happens. Also, got a lot of work booked for the spring already, and again, we're working through the winter because there's no frost, so we will continue to make videos and keep you guys posted on what's going on. But I appreciate hey, you slipped off. Hang on now. There you are, you're back up. All right guys, hit that like button. It does wonders for the channel. It gets the algorithm going and makes YouTube spit out these videos. So again, I appreciate everybody. Catch you on 2022.